Hello.
Hello,
Good evening. How are you?
good evening. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking. So, Miss Neetu, Miss Neetu, Mrs. Neetu,
Yes, Mrs. Neetu.
Mrs. Neetu. Okay. Uh, so, my name is Divyam, and this
Okay.
is what session number is this for you? This is your session number 8.
No, two session I have cancelled. This is my sixth session.
Sixth
Sixth session.
session. Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. So, your topic for today is celebrities.
Celebrity. Okay.
Yes. Who did you think of right now? You thought of someone. Tell me the name. When I said celebrities, you thought of someone. Tell me the name. Just tell me whatever name you think of.
The name come in my mind is APJ Abdul Kalam.
Wow. Wow. Normal people would be like, oh, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Aishwarya Rai. And I'm like,
I
APJ
am
Abdul
not very much fond
Kalam.
of these actor and actresses.
Nice. Good. It's good. So, Ms. Neetu, just let me know if I'm speaking too fast or you don't understand me. Stop me, okay? Perfect. So, do you think, obviously, you don't follow the trends, but do you think in the normal world, people are being very influenced by celebrities?
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me a little bit about your opinions. What do you think?
Yes, I think new generation is very much influenced by the celebrities, and they think that the singers, actors, and actresses they are very much influenced by them, and rather than the politicians and the others and the leaders of our society. And I can say that they should be influenced by the our freedom fighters. They are the real hero and celebrities for us. They give us freedom and they struggle a lot for us. And but new generation are very much influenced uh, by the filmy characters, we can say,
Yeah, by Bollywood actors
by
and
Bollywood
TV
actors.
celebrities.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. That's good. I like it. So when I ask you these questions, okay, try giving me your opinion. Okay. One thing you need to know is even when you're talking about something you don't know, let's say I ask you something about Japan. Okay. Even if you don't know anything about Japan, your job is to talk. Okay.
Yes.
So let's say I ask you, do you know the currency of Japan? Do you know the currency?
Uh, I guess you. I forgot the.
No
I
problem.
forgot
See,
that.
that's my point. So it's fine if you don't know. You can just say, no, I don't know, but I've heard they have really good food, or it's a very populated country. Keep the conversation interesting. Okay. So
Yes.
just because I'm talking about Japan and I asked you a question doesn't mean that I you have to talk about it,
Yes.
right? Unless you are in an interview and they ask you, then you have to answer it. But when you're talking to friends or family, right?
Yes.
So,
Great.
okay, okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes. Yes. Now I can hear.
Okay. Let's say someone is talking about a new Salman Khan movie. Okay. They'll say, hey, did you watch the new Salman Khan movie? You can say, no, but I watched the new APJ Abdul Kalam movie. Did you watch that? Right? It's about conversation. It's not about topics always.
Yes. Yes.
Okay?
We
If
have
you
to
know about,
continue conversation by any way.
yes,
Yes.
not by any way, then no one's forcing you to do it, but it's interesting to
Yes.
keep the person interested in talking to you.
Interested in
If
talking.
someone comes and tells you, today I had this problem, I fought with this person, my boss was screaming at me, you will also get bored. You'll come and you'll think it to yourself, why is he coming and telling me all this? Why do I care? He's so negative, right? So it's not interesting. Have you ever seen a picture of a celebrity with their bodyguards?
Bodyguard.
Yes.
Yes. This is the Salman Khan's movie.
No,
I
no,
watched.
no, no, not a movie. Have you seen a picture of a celebrity with with their bodyguards?
with their bodyguard.
Yes. Do you know what a bodyguard is?
Yes, who protect them.
Exactly. So in the movie Bodyguard, Salman Khan is a bodyguard, right? He's a
Yes,
bodyguard of
I
that woman. Hello.
yes.
Oh, there we go. Okay. I thought I bored you and you left.
No, it is the bug.
I know, I know. I'm just joking. Don't worry. So we were talking about bodyguards.
Yes,
What are your views on bodyguards?
bodyguards. Yes, the celebrities use bodyguard to protect them because when they came to the public places,
When they get out when they get
they get
out in public.
yes, when they get out in public, the public surrounded them and they may and one some of them may not like them, so some of them may like them. They had surrounded them and they may harm them, so that they use bodyguards to protect them, and they are not get out without them, their
Yeah.
bodyguards.
Okay.
And
So Miss Neetu, I'll tell you something right now. Um, there is one mistake you're making very a lot. Actually, it's very common. Your tenses are incorrect. Okay. So when you're talking, just think, what does the word surrounded mean? The word derived from. Let's say we say eat, right? You know what eat is? And we say eaten,
it,
right? So I am going to eat. I have already eaten. Eaten is in the past, right? Now the same thing happens with surrounded. There's surround, okay? We will surround that person, and he got surrounded. Surrounded is in the past.
past tense.
Okay.
Yes.
Now when we talk about these situations, we talk in a present tense. Okay.
Yes.
We say whenever they get out in public, everyone always surrounds them.
Surrounds them.
Okay.
Yes.
So when you said when they get out in public surrounded them, public surrounded them sounds like a one-time incident. Okay.
Yes.
We'll talk about, hey, how did Amir Khan get hurt? He got hurt the other day when the public surrounded him. One situation. Okay. Example. This is just an example. He didn't actually get hurt. He's fine.
Yes.
I think so. I hope so.
Yes.
But I'm just saying that it's one-time example. Okay. So in these situations where it's very common to happen, okay, it happened in the past, it's happening now, and it will probably happen in the future. It's called present continuous.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
we say things like the public surrounds them, or we say um, we don't know that the people who surround the celebrities, whether they have good intentions or bad intentions, because
Yes.
some of them hate the celebrities and they might try to harm them. Okay.
Yes.
And some of them like the celebrities and they want to get an autograph or a picture, but unintentionally they might crowd the celebrity and hurt them, you know, because sometimes the crowd gets out of control because everyone
Yes.
wants a picture right now. No one
Yes.
waits. And to respect their life also, right? Because they have a life. We can
Yes.
get out wherever we want and no one is going to disturb us, because at least for me, I'm not important. Okay. But if someone famous like Amitabh Bachchan, he went shopping to Big Bazaar. Okay. He will not be able to stand even for 1 second, because everyone will come and they want to take a picture and they want his autograph, right?
Yes.
So you can say bodyguards are important, and they help with crowd control, right? So when people try to surround the celebrity, bodyguards are very important to make sure that they have their space and they have their security,
Yes.
right? Everything else you said make perfect sense. Okay, only one surrounded mistake you made. Okay,
Sometimes I made tense
no
mistakes. Yes.
problem. See, everyone makes mistakes. Even I make mistakes. Okay, it's fine. One exercise I'll give you is at home, pick a sentence and make that sentence in the past tense and make that sentence in the future tense. Okay. Pick a sentence that is in the present tense. Okay. I am going to eat right now. The best example. No, I am eating right now. Okay. Just say I am eating right now. What is the past tense of that? I already ate.
I already ate. I will eat.
Perfect. This is the exercise you have to do. Pick 10 sentences, make those 10 sentences in the past tense and future tense. Okay. And once you're done with it, write it down somewhere. Okay. Once you're done with it, Google the answers. Okay. So Google will also tell you if it's right or wrong.
I know all the rules of the tenses because but when it comes to speak, I forget, and sometimes I use past tense. Mostly I use past tense. I don't know why I use that, but I know all the grammar rules and tenses very well. And when it comes to write, I will write properly. I can write in a proper way, but it comes to speak, I make mistakes many times.
See, because when you write slowly, but when you speak,
it
you're speaking very fast. So take your time, even when you're speaking, take a pause. When I ask you a question, I don't say, give me an answer in 30 seconds or I'll stop talking to you. No one says that. So take your time, okay? Do you play any sport?
Yes.
Do you play any sport?
Sport? Currently, I know. Sometimes I play badminton with my son.
Okay. Now I'll tell you I'll give you an example, okay? You said you know all the rules of English, but sometimes you can't follow them, okay? Why I just told you to do these exercises is because you may know the rules, but are you practicing the rules?
Yes.
In badminton, let's say, give me one rule that you can't touch the net, okay?
Yes.
When you're hitting it, you can't touch the net, right? That's a rule, right?
Yes.
Yeah. When you're playing, you're constantly touching the net and you're ignoring it, right? And then when you play with someone else, that person is like, wait, you just touched the net. That's my point because that's not allowed. And you say, oh yeah, but I've practiced this way. So now my habit is to touch the net when I'm hitting a shot. Right? So you're practicing wrong. That's why I'm telling you to practice this, because to do it is to get better. Okay? Just imagine a cricket shot. If I'm swinging, if I want to hit a six, I'll hit a six like this, right? I'll take the bat up. If I keep doing this and hitting the ball down, how will I hit a six? You have to practice the correct thing to do the correct, right? So even though it sounds silly, it's a very small exercise, but it's to tell your brain, hey, this is how it is. This is how you're supposed to say it. And say it out loud. Don't just write it down. I'm not telling you to practice your rules. I'm telling you to practice your speaking.
Okay.
Yeah. So pick sentences that you use every day, correct them, right? And every time you do it, your brain will think, Asha, we have to do it like this. It's like in school when you wrote something wrong and your teacher's like, now you write it 100 times. The correct thing you have to write 100 times, right? Then your brain can't forget it. Now your brain feels punished every time it says something wrong. So that is how it's supposed to be. Practice, 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 practice. That's it.
Yes.
And speaking practice, not writing practice or reading practice. Okay. Everything else seems fine, Ms. Neetu. And I had a fun conversation with you, and I hope I'll see you again. Okay.
Nice.
Hi. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.